cool, but I hit is retarded. Make one false move and your head is a target. Now they drippin', I still ain't rewarded. The ball with my crew like I play with the Hornets. Ray GDN like my bro DJ Corn. I can walk in magic, turn the weather to stormy. These four bitches won't give me a horse. You hit a horse, this when we running.
Alright, let's get it, man. POV. I got y'all in sport right now. So, we finna hear how the exhaust talking to you, boy. We really just gonna be chilling on low RPMs on some shit. Shift like me, dog. I'm telling you. That's how you make that bitch quiet down some. That bitch be screaming at them, you know what I'm saying, them higher RPMs. That's why I like playing in second and third. Like, I only be staying in second, third, and fourth. I'm gonna really show y'all how to make that bitch sound good for real. That bitch be sounding like a real manual. See, I'm in third right now. Feel me? Go down to second. Man, that bitch sound crazy. They like, damn, that boy ain't in no RT. Hell yeah, I am. Regular old Hemi. sport, bro, this bitch be down, like, you feel me? I be down like this on some shit, like, for real. This shit don't even got too much power, for real. Like, this shit got the same amount of power as like a TRD Camry, you feel me? Or like a Honda Accord Sport. Like, Honda Accord Sports can keep up with this car. It's just like, that bitch be aggressive when she in sport. Like, in sport mode, bro, if I floor it, like, if I'm flooring this bitch and I'm shifting, like, and I'm shifting up, right, with this paddle right here, if I'm shifting up, that bitch be down throwing me into my seat on some shit. Like, even a regular V6 Charger will put you in your seat, for real. Like, Chargers in general got a lot of kick. It's just a fun ass car to drive, bro. And like, if you live in like a city, like, you know, a lot of people don't know, but most people who fuck with me and who really know me and shit know I moved out my city and shit like that. So, you know, when you in a city that's kind of like chill, they don't give a fuck. Like, it's Mustangs. There's a lot of Mustang owners where I live at too. But a lot of the Mustang owners, like, they car be like obnoxiously loud. Like, they shit louder than mine even sometimes. This guy's just playing beside me, like. Motherfucker really gonna pull out like that. It's crazy. Man, fuck it. Let poor ass. My journey complete. What's up, you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's been a little minute since y'all seen my face, bro, but I'm back now. I'm better. I'm on to better things. Just a lot of things I got to catch you guys up on. One thing is, you know, of course, I caught my baby. You feel me? This been one of my biggest accomplishments simply because this is the first car this is the first car that I've bought with my own money. Like, as far as my name being on the title and it being registered in my name, like everything in my name, basically. Like, this is the very first car that I've, gotten myself. But it's me personally, I find POV videos aesthetically pleasing. Obviously there's a few things that I gotta do to the car that, that's gonna make it, my signature, makes it different, you know what I'm saying? So this is a little project car. We're gonna build it out, man. We're gonna get it right. But as of now, I kind of rock with a sleeper build that I got going on right now. Interior is kind of clean too as well. But yeah, I just got a few things that I gotta do. Y'all are gonna be a part of that process too. I'm gonna be able to bring you guys all types of different content as far as surrounding the car and other things too in my life. Obviously, I'm gonna start back vlogging and showing you guys like day-to-day stuff. Obviously I still invest, so I got a lot of things that I'm tied to as well, but you guys are going to be in tune with it. You guys are my family, don't forget it. Don Familiar to the end, you know what I'm saying? You already know how we rocking. But yeah, man, we just gonna build it out, bro. Y'all gonna see the step-by-step process. Y'all gonna see the journey. Y'all gonna see everything, you feel me? But yeah, man, if you liked the video, if you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Y'all got any video ideas, man, y'all drop it in the comment section as well. Y'all know I rock with y'all and I stay in tune with y'all too as well. So, but yeah, man, it's your boy JDDLN. I'm checking out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.
Okay, bye.